जब आप ये सुनते हो कि somebody has finished one book in 1 week, आपको सरप्राइज नहीं होता? हाउ कैन समवन फिनिश a book of 200 pages in just 7 days? But believe me and trust me, it is possible. Why I'm saying this? Because I am also trying it and it is very much possible. मेरी हैबिट थी, एक बुक मैं उठाती थी, उसको 2 महीने 3 महीने खींचती रहती थी, एंड नाउ आई एम एबल टू फिनिश वन बुक इन 15 days. Although my target is to finish one book in a week, but I'm trying to improve my skills and improve my reading speed. But how it happens, that is what I'm trying to tell you today. ओके, सो यदि आपका टारगेट है कि इस साल में मुझे एटलीस्ट 20 बुक्स खत्म करनी है, एटलीस्ट 25 बुक्स खत्म करनी है, बिलीव मी, दिस टेक्निक्स आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट. क्योंकि ये मैंने भी अब अडॉप्ट किया है और मुझे पता है कि ये टेक्निक्स काम करती है. तो लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द 3 टेक्निक्स which I'm going to share with you, which are going to improve your reading speed. Okay, let's start. Books are the true friends with whom we can gain a lots of knowledge and we can showcase our knowledge to the world. So keep reading the books, and books are the best weapon you can have in your hand. And you can fight with the world, you can win the world with reading the books. All right, so that's why reading is important. All right, I'm not going deep into the importance of reading. I believe that you know the reading because you might be preparing for exams, you might be increasing your knowledge, you might be increasing the know-how of what is happening in the world. For that, or maybe you are improving your personal development, you are working on your personal development. So all these reasons are enough to read a book. All right, so let's start. I'm going to talk about the 3 strategies which are going to help the reading speed you have right now. But before that, please like and subscribe this channel, because I'm going to share lots of strategies and techniques to improve your communication skills. So for that, you need to have the notification and you need to have the knowledge which I'm going to share with you. All right, so right now, like and subscribe the channel. So first thing first, are you a reader? Are you a beginner? Are you at intermediate level, or are you at advanced level? If you are a beginner, a very important advice to you. It's very important to choose a right book when you are starting reading. All right, so how to choose a right book? Especially I'm talking about the second language. If you're choosing, for example, if you are not a if you're not speaking English very much, or it is your second language, you have to choose the book in English very carefully. So how to choose the book? Say for example, you have taken one book which is a normal book of 200 150 200 pages. You have chosen that book. Now start reading the first page of the book. Okay, you are start reading the first page of the book, and then you realize that you are not able to understand 10 words in that single page. Okay, if the words you don't know in that single page is more than 5 to 10, then leave that book there. Okay, this is not of your standard. You have to lower the standard, which is of simple language. Okay, so if a page has say for example 3 to 5 words which you don't know, it's okay, you can continue. Okay, so that is how you need to understand that whether it is a right book for you in terms of language, in terms of the standard or the level of the language. Okay, whether it is tough for you, whether it is easy for you. If the words you don't know is less than 2, then it's too easy for you. So if you want to continue, it's up to you. But if you want to understand the knowledge and increase your knowledge or the language level, then you have to change the book. Okay, now the interest about the book, which kind of book you like. See, how I started. I have started with the fictional book. Say for example, thriller, suspense, maybe love story, family story, comedy, comics types. So these kind of books you can start. But if you are a beginner, you are trying to learn English also, then you should start a children's story book like Panchatantra a very cute book which has all the stories which we know already. So you would be able to understand the words, you will be understand the stories quite easily. Okay, so that's why start if you are a beginner, if you are trying to understand the English, also trying to learn the English also, then Panchatantra, Nandan, or these comics or these story books are good for you. Okay, and if you are trying to start with a novel, then you should start with maybe a love story, maybe a fictional book, maybe a suspense thriller, where you will be glued to that book. You would not be able to leave that book. So it will increase your have reading duration. That is very important, because if you are reading, you will get easily bored with the book. So it's important to, you need to glue with that book. And suspense thriller, murder mystery maybe, and fictional book are helpful in that case. Okay, now coming to self-help book. If you are trying to read for self-help book for to improve your personality, to improve your overall person, or as a being, then you should start with self-help book. But there are also very fictional books, just for example, Alchemist. Then you can start with the monk who has sold his Ferrari. So these are the books where you can start with, and then you can start with autobiography. So this is how you need to grow up your level in terms of reading. All right. Now the strategy is the main part which I wanted to share with you, how to increase the speed. So first thing, to choose the right book. Okay, in terms of language, in terms of your interest. Second point, your reading schedule or reading schedule, very important. Okay, see, what we think is, I'm having a breakfast, so let's read together. Okay, I am having lunch, so I have time, let's read together. Don't do that. Don't do that. If you want to increase your speed, reading speed, you need to devote a separate time, dedicate a separate time for the reading. All right, so take half an hour for a reading routine. Okay, maybe it can be what I do. I get up early in the morning at around 6:30. First thing I do is reading for half an hour. Okay, and then half an hour I read, and then I start my daily routine. For example, yoga, exercise, whatever I want to do. The first thing is reading. All right, so and you can choose according to your comfort. You can start in the morning, you can start have a routine in the evening as per your comfort zone or time availability. And then so at that time you should have zero distraction in terms of mobile, social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, call, everything. You should put your mobile just for half an hour in aeroplane mode and then start reading. Okay, this will help you. This, believe me, this will help you a lot when you are reading. And second thing, don't read, just read. Okay, have a pencil in your hand and scroll that pencil on a page and on a line. It will help you to speed the reading or the scrolling of your eyes much better. Okay, so this will help you to start reading with the navigator, with a pencil, pen, whatever you have. You should you should read the book or pages with that. Okay, now very important and third point is your reading drill. Okay, now what is reading drill? I'll tell you. See, at the beginning, you have to, if you are serious about increasing your speed, and believe me, it will help you a lot. You will see the change within a week if you follow this process. So now listen it very carefully, because I'm not sure if you have heard this technique before or not, but this is going to help you a lot, that I assure you. Okay, so listen it carefully. All right. Now, you need to have first 20 minutes. Say, for example, you have started at 6 in the morning. So 6 to 6:20. Okay, as per your speed, whatever speed you have, you read that time, 20 minutes, and put a mark that you have read till here. You have to do it with stopwatch. Okay, so say for example, you in 20 minutes you have read say for example 350 words. All right, now mark there. Okay, second time take 10 minutes, again stopwatch, 10 minutes, and try to read no matter what even if you're just scrolling, you're not even reading, forget it. You just have to scroll with pencil up to 350 words you have read in 20 minutes, because you have already read in your speech, so you know what is the content. Don't try to read the whole thing together again. Just scroll quickly and reach within 10 minutes to that point where you have ended in 20 minutes. Okay, don't read. I'm not bothered about how much you have gained at second time. Okay, you just have to increase the speed and try to finish that whole thing, 350 words, in 10 minutes. So what happened? First time, actual reading what you have done as per your speed, say for example it was 350 words or 300 words in 20 minutes. Second time, 10 minutes, the same speed or double the speed or triple the speed, but you have finished that level. Okay, so this is the half hour drill. Then second half, say for example again read the same paragraph or same page what you have read till now, but try to finish whatever you have finished in 20 minutes, try to finish in 15 minutes. And believe me, it will happen because you know the content what it is, so you will be quickly read it up. Okay, you don't have to understand everything. Okay, so finish it up in 15 minutes and try to finish the same thing in 15 minutes, or try to increase. Say for example if you have finished in 20 minutes 350 words, in 20 minutes try to finish at least 375 words. Okay, so two ways. First round 20 minutes, your speed, how many words? Say for example it is 350 words. Second round, again 10 minutes, 350 words, but quick speed, double the speed, triple the speed, but finished up to 350 words. Okay, second round 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes, but try to finish 370 to 380 words, or maybe 400 words. 20 minutes, 400 words. 10 minutes, 400 words. Next 10 minutes, 400 words. So always you have to take 2 rounds of half an hour. Okay, so first half an hour, your speed 20 minutes, and 10 minutes increase the double the speed, triple the speed. Same thing, second round 20 minutes, increase the number of words you have read in 20 minutes, and then increase the 10 minutes again, 10 minutes in 400 words. So this is how you have to increase your speed while reading. And comprehension, it will come, believe me, it will come as you read, because we are not able to glance the word quickly, we are not able to navigate the words quickly, because we don't have that habit, right? So you just have to increase your navigation level, increase the speed of your navigation, and that is all is needed to speed your reading level. Okay, so this is how you can practice, this is how you can increase your speed. And do this even if you're not able to understand the content, no worries, but do this at least for 1 week. You will understand, you will see that your speed is increased in 25% in 1 week. Okay, believe me, if you do it seriously, 1 hour practice every day for 1 week, your speed will be increased minimum by 20%, that I assure you. Okay, but you have to do without any distraction, with the pencil navigation, and with alarm, with stopwatch. If you do that, it will help you to increase your speed by 20% minimum. If you're not able to do, let me know in the comment box that this technique is not working. Then I will see why it is not working, because it worked for me, it worked for many people. Then why it should not work for you, right? So challenge yourself and challenge me also. If I'm saying something, challenge me that it is not working, but do it with full honesty and full dedication. I'm sure that I'm going to help you to increase your speed, and if it works, reply me that it works. Okay, all right, thank you so much, and I will see you in next video. But like, subscribe and share if you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.